having a year-end party here in the hospital. And we will be also doing exchange gifts. And these are our food, guys. So, meron kaming albaik dito, ganyan. Tapos, may pizza, may sweets. Okay. And then, may cake doon. Then, meron din kaming mga gifts dyan. Yan yung aming mga gifts. So, hopefully, it will be a nice party po. So, ito yung aming area kung saan kami magpa-party. Ito yung staff lounge namin. Dito sa aming NICU department. So, actually guys, wala pang mga tao kasi endorsement time pa. Pero ako, andito na kasi off man ako today and tomorrow night duty pa. So, yan guys.
Shoulder, knees, head, shoulder, knees. If I say touch the bottle, touch the bottle. Okay? Okay, Ryan. 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 Head, knees, shoulder, head, shoulder, knees, bottom.
One correct.
Two na ang correct. Two ang correct.
Hindi, isa lang po, isa lang.
Isa lang, dalawa.
Dalawa
Dalawa
yung
ng correct.
Dalawa yung correct ko?
Oo.
Because at least
Dalawa pa rin.
Dalawa. Isa. Isa. Dalawa.
This one, dalawa, tatlo.
Tatlo. Dalawa.
2 minutes.
Tatlo.
Ay, galing niya.
Ang galing!
May technique yun eh.
Yeah. Thank you, ladies, for this for today, and you're able to attend. And really, you know, the pacing now is very fast, right? So they are increasing the bed. So I hope this 2025 more patient, more staff,
More patient.
and today we will forget about the checklist. We will just do our
Ay, na ano mo? Duty na.
no problem. Don't open yet. We will open. And what?
I hope you enjoyed watching my video today, guys. Advance Happy New Year to all of you. And don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel, Pink Mom RN. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye. God bless everyone.